The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
All right, guys, it's about 5:15 now on our first day of May, but you wouldn't know by stepping outside. Wytheville just barely at 50, Martinsville at 60, Roanoke at 57. You see that mostly cloudy sky. You also notice the wind between about 10 and 20 miles per hour. All of this has to do with low pressure. That means rising air and counterclockwise winds. So that's the clouds and the cooler air that continues to come in, and a few occasional light rain showers that spill over the mountains. You even notice some snow up towards Snowshoe. So our shower chances, they're going to be pretty isolated. Our temperatures are going to be pretty steady here heading into the rest of the evening. If you have evening plans, just bundle up a little bit, as will mostly be about 50 to 55. Overnight, however, Covington, Roanoke 44, Bedford, Alta Vista 47, Floyd, Blacksburg, Hillsville 41. Definitely a nip in the air tomorrow, especially when you factor in the breeze. That is going to continue heading into our Tuesday. The yellows there, your wind gusts anywhere from about 25 to 35 miles per hour, which is more or less what we've seen today. So you take today's forecast, you copy paste it for tomorrow. Unseasonably cool and breezy. Martinsville, Danville 64 the high tomorrow. Lexington, Buena Vista 59. Wytheville, Hillsville with a pair of 5s. Roanoke at 61 in the afternoon. And then a little piece of colder air comes in, believe it or not, heading into Wednesday. Bedford not making it out of the 50s. We'll barely do that in Alta Vista and Lynchburg. We'll have a hard time getting out of the 40s in the New River Valley, with once again the wind continuing. Going to be very strong at times. Wednesday almost feeling like a winter day out there, with some rain showers and mountain snow showers to boot. So by Thursday, still a little breezy, but things starting to turn around a little bit as the jet stream retreats to the north. That's your dividing line between mild air and chilly air. So heading into the weekend, I'm optimistic that we'll see temperatures rising a little bit. But yeah, definitely not feeling like early May out there today or tomorrow in the Roanoke Valleys. We have a hard time getting out of the 50s. At any point in time, you could see a stray shower, but most of the next 2 days will be dry. Thursday, partly cloudy, 68, 72 Cinco de Mayo. May have to watch for a stray shower. Saturday, Sunday, things look to warm up in the 70s. Ditto as we head into early next week. That's when I think the 70s turn a little more consistent for us in the Roanoke Valley. Lynchburg, 62 tomorrow, 60 on Wednesday. And then as we head toward Thursday, we warm up after another chilly morning. So the chilly mornings, they'll continue heading into the weekend just due to the fact that we don't have a lot of moisture or humidity around, but at least the afternoons start to warm up. Friday in the Hill City, 72. Sunday looks like it's in the middle to upper 70s, and at least the potential is there for some lower 80s early next week. At least we're not looking at Friday rain.
Right? Friday or Sunday.
Right, which right now has accounted for 64% of our rain in 2023. So to get a Friday and a Sunday dry, I'll take it no matter the temperature at this point.
I knew one of you guys was going to bring that up. I was looking at the forecast like, the weekend, fingers crossed,
Something
it looks okay.
off there, right?
Yeah, what's different this week?
Exactly.
All right, guys. Well, you asked, we answered. The WSLS Shred is back. Yeah, a bunch of people have been calling our newsroom. You've been emailing us, asking us when this event is going to return, and now it's back. Come shred all those documents just piling up on your table. Saturday, May 6th, will be at Schul's home off Ferncliff Avenue in Roanoke from 8 a.m. until noon. There's a 3-bag limit, and hang on to your boxes because we won't be recycling cardboard. For more information, head to WSLS.com.